Hi guys, there are still questions about connecting this Dewalt cordless router with this Bosch guardrail adapter. So I'll show you how in this video. Let's go. The first thing is that original screws like this from Dewalt. They are maybe in this adapter for router. They are not fit in this adapter from Bosch. They are thinner and longer than you need. You must buy some thicker and shorter, like this one. And then you must find a hole which is marked with H, screwing, then centered router in this hole, perfect center you must find, and then second and last one hole which you need, it's this one, thicker one than these two which are marked with C and B, this thicker one. So screwing, and you are done, finished. Now we can start with work. So that was all for today. Till the next one. Bye.